The court has directed parties embroiled in the protracted battle for control of Directline Assurance Company, a market leader in public service vehicle insurance, to agree on which of the numerous pending applications should be consolidated in a bid to shift the focus of the case to its substantive issues of directorship and shareholding. During a mention on Tuesday of a contempt of court application against Royal Credit Limited chairperson Dr SK Macharia, Justice Francis Gikonyo observed that the rise in number of applications was unduly delaying a matter that ought to have been concluded. He urged the parties to streamline the proceedings to allow the court to address the core dispute. Here's Citizen TV's Ben Kirui with more.
Royal Credit Limited chairperson Dr SK Macharia arrived at the Milimani Law Courts at 9 a.m. Tuesday for the mention of a contempt of court application filed against him by the plaintiff. During the proceedings, Dr Macharia, named as the defendant, raised a preliminary objection to the hearing of the contempt application, arguing that the court lacks a jurisdiction to entertain the matter.
Yes, madam.
High Court Judge Justice Francis Gikonyo, however, directed the parties to streamline the case by reaching a consensus on compromising some of the numerous applications on record and instead focus on the substantive issues of shareholding and directorship.
Find the way out, a pragmatic approach, so that you get fairness. Okay. Speedy hearing.
Justice Gikonyo noted that the dispute had become increasingly contentious, with both majority and minority shareholders filing multiple applications and preliminary objections, an approach he said was slowing down a case that ought to have been concluded.
Yes, but you will note from the court records in various matters touching on shareholding and directorship that it's the plaintiff who keeps on filing application after application. If those applications can be done away with, then it will open an avenue for addressing the substance of the case.
Both parties agreed to comply with the court's directions and undertake consultations aimed at narrowing down the issues for determination.
Parties through their counsel will sign the written consent by you. They sign, so that there is no avenue of saying I didn't participate.
The case has drawn significant public attention, given that Directline Assurance is among Kenya's largest insurers of public service vehicles, PSVs. Tuesday's appearance was specifically in relation to the contempt of court application against Dr Macharia.
In terms of showing cause, as you have cited, that is why my client has sworn an affidavit, showing cause as directed by the court, even knowing fully well that procedures were floated from the beginning. We would like you a lot to look at what we are raising carefully. Give us a decision on the same.
The court is scheduled to deliver its ruling on the defendant's preliminary applications on February 12th, 2026. Ben Kirui, Citizen TV, Nairobi.